Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this easy Tunisian crochet flower. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any update. Prepare crochet yarn and crochet hook. You can use any yarn. The size of your yarn makes a difference in which hook you will want to use. If you look at the label of any skein of yarn, there will be a suggested hook size listed. Start with a slip knot, like this. We will make the petal. Begin with chain 3. Pull a loop here, second chain from the hook. And we will have 3 loops on the hook. Now chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, twice. Now chain 1, and you can see these straight or vertical lines. We will pull a loop through these lines. And we will have 4 loops on the hook. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, 3 times. And you can see these 4 straight of vertical lines. We will skip the first line, and from these 2 lines, pull a loop. And the last line. We will have 3 loops on the hook. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. We will slip stitch on these 2 lines. It's actually 3 lines here. We skip the first line. Slip stitch once. And twice. Now slip stitch in the middle here. And slip stitch to the first chain of this petal. Now this is 1 petal. And repeat this until we have 6 petals. Now I have made 2 petals, and I will show you one more time with fast motion. Begin with chain 3, pull 2 loops, and we will have 3 loops on the hook. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops twice. Chain 1, pull 3 loops, and we will have 4 loops on the hook. Chain 1, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Pull a loop from these 2 lines and 1 loop here. Chain 1, yarn over and pull 2. Slip stitch. Slip stitch in the middle. And first chain of this petal. Repeat this until we have 6 petals. To finish this, find the first petal and slip stitch through the first petal. Tie a knot. Make another one with only 5 petals. Attach these 2 pieces together. Prepare stamen. Attach this stamen right at the center. Use hot glue to hold the stamen. Cut this and secure with hot glue. Our simple Tunisian crochet flower is finished. Thanks for watching. If you like this simple crochet flower, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.